Career Destiny Game. Once upon a time in a small town, there was a group of friends who loved to play games together. One sunny afternoon, they gathered at their favorite hangout spot, a cozy little cafe with colorful walls. As they sipped on their drinks, they noticed a piece of paper lying on one of the tables. Curiosity piqued, they picked it up and discovered it was a game someone had left behind. The game involved 4 different colors: green, yellow, blue, and pink. The friends decided to play it, and they each chose one color. It was a simple yet intriguing game where they had to make their way through various stages, guided by numbers and occupations. The first player, Alex, picked green and then chose number 1. Following the instructions, they moved one step forward and unveiled the occupation written underneath: police. "Looks like I'll be a police officer," Alex exclaimed with a grin. Next up was Mia, who selected yellow and chose number 2. As she moved 2 steps ahead, she discovered the word doctor. "That's interesting," Mia said. "I guess I'm destined to be a doctor." Then it was Jack's turn, and he opted for blue and selected number 3. Excitedly, he moved 3 steps forward and read the occupation written underneath: engineer. "Cool. I'm going to be an engineer." Jack cheered. Lastly, it was Emily's turn. She picked pink and chose number 4. As she moved 4 steps forward, she revealed the word architect. "Wow, I've always loved designing buildings. This is perfect for me," Emily said with delight. As they played, the friends couldn't help but notice how fitting the occupations seemed for each of them. It was as if the game had somehow tapped into their inner aspirations and desires. Inspired by the results, they decided to pursue these occupations in their real lives. Alex began volunteering with the local police department, eventually enrolling in the police academy. Mia, already a medical student, felt even more motivated to excel in her studies and become a compassionate doctor. Jack enrolled in engineering courses at the nearby university and started working on small projects to gain experience. Emily, a talented artist, realized that architecture could blend her creativity with her love for design, so she started taking architecture classes and interning with established architects. The game brought the friends closer together as they supported and encouraged each other in their career pursuits. Over time, they all achieved success in their chosen professions, making positive contributions to their community and finding fulfillment in their work. And so, the simple piece of paper with the colorful game turned out to be a catalyst for the 4 friends, guiding them towards their true callings and leading them to a fulfilling and purposeful life. It became a cherished memento that they framed and hung on the wall of the cafe where they had found it, a reminder of the game that changed their lives forever. Pick a color on this 4 color. I choose green. G-R-E-E-N. Now choose a number. I choose 4. Now move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what is under 4. It's an architect. Wow. I will be an architect. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.